Hello, this is Jen McBride again. Just a couple more tips about Google Classroom that may seem super simple. Some of you might already be doing, but as always, we know consistency is queen, shall we say. It helps us out a lot with parents and students in general. I name each week its own topic, and then below that topic is where I post the date and then the name of the lesson. For math, I'm really grateful that the lesson is designated each day, so I just make sure to have that exact numbered lesson next to there. When it comes to makeup work, kids reviewing their work, it makes it a lot easier to go back and show them this. And then for Unit 3, I just move those lessons down to Unit 3. And then if we need to go to a previous week, they can go down here to find those as well. The other thing I just wanted to show you to also find your own niche. Mine is that in the stream page, they know that the directions for the day are posted here along with their attendance login and any sort of note. I also learned to put the date at the top because as you can see, sometimes when I'm scheduling it, I want to make sure that they know that this is the correct date for that information. So then when I go into today, I'm going to post it right now. All I have to do is click post, and it will go to all 3 of my classrooms since I selected all 3. And now they know that this is the directions for today, and they can go to classwork to find the rest of their assignment. Once again, probably seems simple, just reminding that consistency helps everyone, teachers, educators, and parents alike. Have a great day.